What's good, YouTube? I'm here at the Wheaton Gym right now, and today's video, I'm basically about to show y'all how to defend yourself in boxing. I'll show y'all little defensive tricks and everything with my gloves. I don't have a partner to demonstrate it on, but I'm basically about to just show y'all my handwork, and basically I'm gonna show y'all how to defend jab, hook, your body. So when you're in self-defense, you know what I'm saying, when you get into it with somebody and you might have to fight, if you can't like verbally get into a agreement but you have to fight, then you'll know how to defend yourself. You know what I'm saying? In karate, they said self-defense is necessary. So if you needed to defend yourself, I want to show y'all some skills, some tips, tricks, so that you can possibly win the fight. So basically, I'm about to get my gloves right now, and I'm gonna show y'all how to basically defend jabs, hooks, uppercuts, all of that, so you can counter, you can possibly win a fight. Okay, so I got my gloves right here. Okay, y'all, I'm about to show y'all how to defend a jab. So you got your gloves on, you're in your fighting stance, and someone throws a jab, you defend by flicking your wrist. You go. That's how you defend a jab. You just flip your wrist forward and you blocking it. So you're just like that. Now this is how you defend a hook in your body. This is how you defend a hook. See? Flip your arm up. So you that's how you defend a hook. And then here are like some counter attacks. If once you block it off, you can hit them with a hook, or you can jab, you can uppercut, you know what I'm saying, defend yourself. You can try to get that knockout, at least hit them at the body so you can damage them, you know what I'm saying? So this is how you block a jab again. I'm gonna block with a jab, and I'm gonna counter. Blocking with a jab, then you counter. Okay, that's simple defensive tricks and skills that you guys can use during a fight, so you can defend, and then make sure to counter, make sure to move your body like this, and also block. You know what I'm saying? Defense is key to winning fights and defending yourself, so you can counter and you can win. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, comment down below more videos y'all want me to do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.